Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 123. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, it was Jingshu. Well, she was looking at her phone. Did she really miss her? Well, definitely right now. She was with her family, and also she is missing her so much. Send her a message. But for Jiyuan right now. Sorry. Oops, Akshu said to her. Well, definitely, she was going to sleep. But of course, right now. Did I just hang up too? Well, suddenly, she stood up. She's going to reply on Akshu. This girl, now, she's been rattled. Why do you want to apologize? You did nothing wrong. I am not unhappy. I'm just very embarrassed. Well, right now, it's so weird. Jingshu, she was really happy. Look at her. Her face is really turning red. Together with her father, right now, Jingshu, she was talking to him. Definitely, she was showing him the photos of Jiyan. Her mother was looking at them. She was always checking her phone again. Since Akshu has been far away on Jiyan, every time she misses her. Even though she was with her family at this moment, enjoying her vacations. Even the family seems to be happy. Of course, she always misses her. My dad said, "You are very cute." Now she sent a message to Jiyan. Now, Jiyan. She opened the voice message right away. Now she was hearing the voice of Akshu. I also think, well, Akshu, she's getting tricky. To send her a voice message. Now, looking at Jiyan, she's blushing so much. Is she gonna get crazy? Looking at her face, it seems that it feels like she was in the clouds. She was really happy because Akshu was praising her, that she's really beautiful. Well, definitely Jiyan, she can really hardly sleep. Because tonight, she is really so happy. After hearing Akshu's voice, right now, she seems to be more liking to compose. Look at her, she was holding a fan, and also she was humming. She's singing while working. Well, definitely, she is really falling in love. And it can be seen on her face that she really liked Jian. Suddenly, she got interrupted and said, Yan, are you awake? I brought you the takeout. I'm awake, Sister Wei. You go directly. Did you just order a takeout? When I went downstairs, I happened to meet the concierge to deliver the food to you. I brought it up together if I knew I wouldn't give it to you. Oh, so it turns out, who is the one who's ordering a takeout? If it's not for you, is it? Now, seeing it, I have a clue that it came from Akshu's. Eat this. Well, definitely, it really came from Akshu. Well, what a sweet girl she is. Even though she was really far away, she was thinking about her. Akshu, how do you know my room number? Now, she was sending her a message. Of course, Akshu, read the message directly. I just saw your card number in the video. So go eat. It will get cold. Well, definitely. She is really getting tricky. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.